Namaskaram everyone. I'm here in the Surya Mandir, a few kilometers away from the Dhrang village in the Kutch district of Gujarat. They say that this temple is some 1200 years old and has been built by the royal family of Bhuj. Worship of the Navagrahas has been one of the most profound aspects and understandings of Sanatana Dharma. The translation of graha as a planet is completely wrong, and the real meaning of what a graha is and how it impacts the life on earth has been covered in one of our playlists on the Sanskrit channel. Do check that out. I'll link it in the description below. And in the premises of this Surya Mandir, I thought we'll continue learning the 13th of the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. This is the 33rd shloka from the 13th adhyaya of Bhagavad Gita. As usual, we'll first learn to read the shloka in Gujarati script, practice writing it, understand its meaning in English, and then read and write its translation in the Gujarati script. Let me read this shloka first. Yatha sarvagatam saukshmyadakasham nopalipyate sarvatravasthito dehe tathatma nopalipyate. Before we go into the meanings, let me practice writing it. Yatha sarvagatam saukshmyadakasham. This kshmya is a combination of three consonants at once. Saukshmya is how it is uttered. Saukshmyadakasham nopalipyate sarvatravasthito dehe tathatma nopalipyate. Coming to the meaning of this shloka in English, Shri Krishna is drawing a parallel, trying to present to Arjuna how the self within is untouched by everything that is happening in the body and through activities. So, if the body is doing all these activities and has all these gunas and is in the realm of Prakriti, how is it that the self is untouched? Shri Krishna says it is very similar to how space pervades everything but is not touched by the attributes of anything. He says, Yatha, the way in which Sarvagatam, even if it is present everywhere, it pervades everything, Sarvagatam, Saukshmyat, because of its Sukshmatva, or the property of being so subtle, extremely subtle, because of it, Saukshmyat, Akasham, this space that holds everything, na upalipyate, is not smeared by it. It is still as subtle. It is not that because it holds all these denseness, all these fragrances of all kind, stenches of all kind, all these substances, water, all these materials within it, but still it stays untouched by all of it because of its subtlety. Similarly, sarvatra avasthitaha, being present everywhere, being situated in everything, dehe, within the body, tatha, in a similar way, atma, the self, na upalipyate, it is not smeared or it is untouched. So, yatha sarvagatam saukshmyat akasham nopalipyate, tatha sarvatra avasthitah Atma dehe na upalipyate. So, similarly, this self which is present within the body, despite being all pervasive and being present in every other creature, within this body it is not touched and it stays distinctly separate. Let me now read the Gujarati translation of this shloka. જેમ સર્વવ્યાપક આકાશ સૂક્ષ્મપણાના કારણે લેપાતું નથી, તેમ સર્વ શરીરમાં અવસ્થિત આત્મા લેપાતો નથી. Let me now practice writing this in Gujarati. જેમ સર્વવ્યાપક આકાશ સૂક્ષ્મપણાના કારણે લેપાતું નથી, તેમ સર્વ શરીરમાં અવસ્થિત આત્મા લેપાતો નથી. Thus, we have completed learning the 13th of the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. If you have watched until this point, do not forget to click on the like button and share this video with those whom you think might benefit from this. Consider clicking on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our future updates. See you in the next video of this playlist. Namaskaram.